because it's Pride Month and I was being bullied for who I wanted to be, so that's why I picked this song, because some people can thingy their true colours. You with the sadness, don't be discouraged, though I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, the darkness inside you can make you feel so small. But I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful like a rainbow. Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, you call me up because you know I'll be there. But I'll see your true colors shining through. I'll see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful.
Oh, well done, Kiara. Well done, girl. Zoe, what do we think?
I can't believe how far you've come in such a short amount of time. Honestly, Kiara, you're doing everything right. Like, them timing and pitching issues you used to have, they're going further out the window every single week. Like, that was such a pretty vocal. It was so beautiful. I'm so proud of you. And that is definitely one of, like, well, that is my favourite I've heard you sing to date. And I love the messaging. So proud of yourself. You're definitely on the right path, girl. That was amazing.
Kelly?
Yeah, I agree with Zoe. That was a really, really pretty performance. And you come across as being very, very vulnerable in that performance as well, which I think added to the message that you were sending, which is a really important message. You know, and unfortunately there are really cruel people out there, but I think the fact that you are here and you've got this as your platform is showing them that, you know, they didn't get the better of you. I mean, look what you're doing now, look where you are, and everybody in this room loves you for you, so, you know, they're the real losers here, and you know, so there we go. I thought it was beautiful, I really did, and I love the amount of effort that you put into your performance, the fact that you come out every single week and you've matched your costume to the song choice. You give so much, and it really, really paid off, so huge congratulations.
Kiara, yeah, I mean, in terms of the song choice, it was perfect for your voice, because it was probably the most controlled you've been in terms of control. It was a little bit quiet, that's why I was like, put the mic by your mouth, because you was really quiet, like really quiet. You know, so it lost a bit of volume, and you seemed like you was really unsure of the words a little bit, because you kept looking around like what to do. Shall I move? Shall I not move? Or anything. So it was very stiff in terms of the performance. The only reason I'm pointing that out to you is because we're at the stage now as a competition where these little things are going to be picked at, and you can do it because you did it last week. You came out last week and you moved a little bit more and things like that. So you didn't have to move around the room, but you looked very stiff tonight, like really stiff like this. And you was looking around like, oh, what's going on, like sort of thing. Like if you was concentrating too much. You've got to be really careful, because even though you're learning new songs and that, you don't want the audience to look and go, maybe she's unsure of that. Oh, does she know what she's doing there? And that sort of stuff. So always be aware, even though you are still learning patterns in the song and making sure you get it right, you mustn't let that off to the audience to see. You still got it on there like, I know this, I know this, even though it was a stripped back song, right? It was beautiful. It was definitely a step forward. Loved the flag and everything to match it and the message. You should be really proud of yourself, but please take that on board. It's really important that you don't look like this up there. We don't want that, all right? You loosen up, relax. Well done.